Charging cables are part of our daily use and carry items, but they get damaged and replaced too often. They're twisted, bent, and pulled during usage and storage, causing excessive wear and tear. Introducing Bondcable, a charging cable that bonds onto itself when coiled. Simply coil, squeeze, and bond. No separate fasteners required. It's neat and tangle-free. Supports fast charging and quick data transfer. Created for the mobile worker, the savvy traveler, and the neat freak friend of yours. Designed, built, and tested for excellent flexibility and strength. It's clever, compact, and long-lasting. Available in USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning for Apple and Android devices. The Bondcable is ready for production. Back us for exclusive prices and be the first to experience the bonding. Bondcable. No more messy cables.